Apart from that, I have listed some of the common errors which we go through. Like suppose if there is element not found, so this means that your selector is a mistake. So here I use glue S button. So this S is like sometimes mistakenly I have done. So you can check that. Apart from that, null injector error, which is the most common error, which say that your import provider declaration is missing something. Okay, you need to add something else. So here authorization service is something I need to add here. Okay, either as a mock or directly as a provider, you can do see like how you want to do. But yeah, apart from that, there is like we cannot suppose a dot length. A is an array and you have path undefined, so this length would not be defined. So like that, you somewhere in the component you are setting an environment, but it is not work, making the component work as expected. So either you may have to check the see the environment condition, or you have to see this get EL implementation whether some like query is there or not. I have already said that if query selector and query selector are error, you might get in get EL. This means the component is non-rendering, so it's not rendering, so you have to work accordingly. Apart from that, some of the other common error, that build error we commonly get, this means the build is not built. And anything else I want to discuss was, yeah, this one is also very common, calling bootstrap template after get. So, or bootstrap after get. So what exactly is that? You have not imported describe it or bootstrap or x describe, p describe, anything like that. You have not imported via good source channel. So this type of error you will get at that time. Okay, apart from that, use Noop animation module and use providers at like if you have this if you get this error, this module is declared, please add pipe directive component annotation. So what exactly is that? It is saying that you have provided like imports in the section of declaration, or declaration in section of provider or something like that. You are getting, it is getting some sort of thing like what it is expected, but it is not getting as the correct source. Like instead of module, you have added in the componenting, so it will throw like this error. Okay, so apart from that, I would just finish it with some good practices. So mock call async calls, otherwise it will say that this is not provided and this service is not working. Then you may also get null injector error. So what exactly it say that you are adding a async call and that service is dependent on some other service. Okay, so you will get null injected that that service is dependent on that service that is not defined. Okay, so instead of that mock call async call, it is the best thing you can got. Mock injection token in case if injected via, like if you use @inject something, like @inject environment as an injection token. Okay, so in that case you can mock that directly injection token and you can write as value as expected. Okay, apart from that, try to use UI based testing more than that I have covered in the first PPT. Apart from that, yeah, if there is some source of common code, okay, it is there in entire bootstrap thing at the beginning, so you can move that on before it if it is common. Okay, if everything has the same input, then you can move that bootstrap thing into the before each. It is like a good practice. Apart from that, yeah, do check for provider, super provider, like all the things are important in the correct place or not. Okay, debug it like same way you are testing the component, debug the test case. So if you are not getting expected value from that component, okay, write dummy input for the service to provide via service. Like sometimes what we do, we write the dummy input, but we are not matching the type, which is like suppose it's observable, try to add off before it and put the entire thing. If it is not, try to make it the same return type, which is like suppose it's array of category summary. So we need to mock that in the way the category summary is defined, like all the 5 structure or something of same key value should be there. Okay, same make observable using off in RSJS in case if it is required. Okay, so the important things are like you have to club the test case if the functionality is redundant or overlapping. So if we have same like we have a function say run, okay, inside that run we have one more function mat dialog.open. So if suppose mat dialog.open is there, So directly mock the mat dialog dot open and check whether it is called, rather than mocking the run function and then again checking if mat dialog is also, that is called redundant, like overlapping test case. So you are checking first the function is calling or not, then you are checking inside that function it's calling or not. So it is better that you club both of them and just check whether that function is working as expected or not. Okay, and same way redundant is like you are just checking the same thing multiple times. Okay, if you are checking same piece of code for the same thing 2 times. Okay, like you have 2 buttons. On the first button you are clicking and you're checking that mat dialog should open. Then again you are checking on the second button which is of same function and checking that again that function is called and that dialog is open or not. If both are of calling to the same function, then it is useless to write the test case again and again for the same function if you are calling. Okay. Apart from that, it is just an advice that use it dot only or describe dot only, because this x describe, p describe or x fit this will give this error, and you may need to change multiple times this thing like what you are importing. So it is like this error calling bootstrap after get. So this may occur whenever if you're using x describe and you're not importing it like at the same time. Okay, so it is best that it is already imported, use dot only and just use it. Okay, so that's it for testing. If you have any doubt you can ask it.
तो इतने ही है आज के लिए।